What if I told you there is an ancient spice which is able to reduce inflammation better than most antioxidants? And plus, research studies show it can also help you to lose that stubborn belly fat in just few weeks. And no, I am not talking about ginger or turmeric, but instead I am talking about this ancient spice which has been used in Ayurvedic medicine, Persian medicine, and also Middle Eastern medicine for more than 5000 years, and it is also called as red gold. Yes, the spice I am talking about is saffron. A research study published in 2015 compared saffron with several other spices including ginger, and the results were shocking. What it showed was that all of these different spices were able to reduce inflammation, but saffron was special over here because the results show saffron was more efficient in getting rid of inflammation, and it achieved better result than ginger and other spices compared in this study. So that's the reason in today's video I'm discussing this special spice saffron and how you can use it in the proper fashion to help you in reducing inflammation and more importantly able to lose that stubborn belly fat. Stay till the end because I'm going to share with you the most common mistakes people make while using saffron and what is the right way of using it so you can improve your inflammation significantly. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic health conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. Now, saffron has been used as a spice in several cultures for a very long time. But now we have more than 200 peer-reviewed research studies which show several health benefits of this saffron. And more importantly, these research studies shed light on exactly how to use this saffron so it can actually work as a medicine in your body. Now, what is exactly saffron? Saffron comes from Crocus sativus flower. It is the dried stigma or those thread-like structures inside the flower of this plant. Now, the reason saffron spice, if you will Google it up, is so expensive is that it takes about 150 flowers to produce 1 gram of saffron. That's exactly the reason this unique spice has so many powerful ingredients which can help in reducing inflammation and giving you other health benefits. Research shows saffron contains more than 150 different compounds for health benefits. But the main compounds are crocin, saffronel, picrocrocin, quercetin, and camphorol. These are fancy names, but each of these 5 compounds is a very powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compound which works on reducing inflammation in all different angles. A research study published in journal Phytotherapy Research showed that saffron has very powerful antioxidant properties and it was able to reduce inflammation significantly. Another research study which published in Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine showed that saffron has anti-inflammatory properties. It has anti-atherosclerotic properties, anti-genotoxic properties, and also cytotoxic activities. That's the scientific way of saying that saffron in this study showed that it is going to help you not only in fighting inflammation, but will also protect your arteries towards damage and clogging. It will protect your DNA from any damage, so it slows down aging, and it can also help in fighting cancer cells. So that's the reason saffron not only has one compound, but 5 different compounds which can help you in lowering inflammation significantly. Now let's talk about the weight loss benefit, specifically melting the belly fat benefit of saffron. A 2023 study which was published in a peer-reviewed journal showed that the participant took 60 milligrams of saffron daily for 12 weeks, and the results were that they had significant reduction in their body mass index or BMI. Their waist circumference decreased, so they were able to lose that belly fat, and plus along with that their HDL, which is the good cholesterol, also improved significantly, and they were able to lower their bad cholesterol, the triglyceride level also. So that's the reason saffron is really great if you are looking for improving your waistline and trying to lose that stubborn belly fat. Now, along with reducing inflammation and also helping you in reducing the belly fat, saffron can also improve your mood because saffron also increases serotonin levels in your brain, and serotonin is the happy hormone. Research studies show that taking saffron on the daily basis, people saw a significant improvement in their mood. Their anxiety levels also decreased. Plus, it also showed that it also helps in rebalancing your female hormones as well as your thyroid hormones. And it also helped females which were going through PMS symptoms too. Another great benefit for saffron is reducing brain inflammation. It has been shown in research studies saffron can improve your brain fog as well as improve your cognitive abilities, thereby improving your concentration, your memory, and your focus too. So that's the reason saffron is great in helping your body in multiple different ways. Now let me share with you the best way of using this saffron and how much you need to consume so it can actually help improving your health. So most of the research studies show that the dosage of saffron has to be between 30 to 60 milligrams on the daily basis for it to actually show any benefits. And another important thing to remember, you will not see benefit in a day or two, and you have to take it a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks. So it helps your body in reducing inflammation and also rebalances the whole body for you. Now let me share with you what is the best way of using saffron. But before I do that, let me share with you the mistakes most people do when taking saffron. First important mistake people do is that they are buying low quality or fake saffron. Unfortunately, 60% of saffron which is sold in the spice market is adulterated and is not real saffron. So make sure you're buying from a reputable merchant who you trust. The second better way, if you do not know of any merchant, is that you can buy supplements of saffron from a reputable supplement company so you know you are getting the real saffron. The second mistake people do is that they will add saffron to boiling water or boiling dishes. Boiling destroys all of those active compounds of saffron, so never do that. So then what is the best way of using saffron? You add this 30 milligrams or 60 milligrams of saffron to room temperature of water. You let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes and then you can drink this one glass of water anytime during the day. But is there a best time of taking saffron? Yes, it is. If you take saffron at night time, especially before going to bed, it will help in improving your sleep. It will help rebalancing your adrenal hormones, will help in reducing inflammation overnight so that you wake up in the morning very fresh and full of energy. So for that, what you can do is that either in 1 cup of warm water, or you can take 1 cup of warm coconut milk or almond milk, and then you add that 30 or 60 milligrams of saffron into it. Again, you let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then you drink it very slowly. Do this 30 to 45 minutes before your bedtime and you will see a significant improvement in your sleep quality as well as it will help you in reducing inflammation too. Now, if you want to boost the work of saffron at night time, then you add a magnesium supplement along with your saffron and also take an omega-3 supplement with your dinner. When you combine all of these three things, you will see a very significant drop in your inflammation levels very quickly. I have created a magnesium and an omega-3 supplement. The link will be in the description if you're interested in buying it. So here you go. Today I shared with you this ancient spice which has been forgotten by many that it has so many health benefits. Specifically, it is more powerful than ginger and other spices in reducing inflammation. But again, remember, as I shared with you, you're not going to see a benefit in a day or two. So commit for using saffron or make saffron as a part of your anti-inflammatory routine and you will see your inflammation markers decreasing. You will see an improvement in your body by less pain, less swelling, as well as more renewed energy. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.